Welcome to DME training class. In our previous class, we discussed about how to do the configuration for APP and we completed step number 1 to step number 11. We did the configuration from automatic payment program and here we are going to use payment method DME. We created one U payment method in our payment method in countries and company code. We are going to complete the rest of the configuration in today's class. So now the topic, the pending one is the configuration for the DME tree. If you remember our testing class, when we discussed about the business process flow for DME, we executed end-to-end APP so that we can understand the business process flow. Their system generated output file, one output file generated flat file. So that is this is the flat file. So in this flat file, if you understand, this completely divided into three parts. First one is this is header. Second one is this is transaction details. Third one is the trailer. In trailer, first one we have the date of generation 23/01/2019. This is company code 8888. This is bank reference. So likewise here we have fields, around 10 fields here. Sequence number, here last currency and amount. In trailer we have number of items plus total amount. So this is called a DME tree. The same thing is I captured in Excel sheet. So now total tree, DME tree is divided into first part, second part, third part. Under the first part we have three nodes: date, company code and bank reference. The same thing is reflecting here: date, company code and bank reference. In here sequence number, this is sequence number, and payment type, whether it is a NEFT or RTGS, house bank and bank ID and payer IFSC and vendor name, vendor bank account, vendor IFSC, currency, amount. The same thing is reflecting here. Vendor is Diligent Techies, vendor's bank account in this one, and vendor's IFSC is this one, INR and amount. Now coming to the third part, here we have two things: number of items, this is 16, and total of this number of items is 160,000. The same thing is here. In trailer we have two nodes. These are called nodes. These are called nodes. All these are called nodes. These are called node. So now under the header level we have three nodes. Under the transaction level we have 10. Under the trailer level we have 2. So coming to here, so we have to, whenever we are creating any nodes in DME tree, we have to mention the source from where system should pick this information. For example, here I mentioned that this node is for the date. So I have to give the source for this date as well. I have to instruct to the system from where it should pick the date, company code, bank reference. So to do that, in SAP we have three structures. In SAP we have three structures. Those are the standard structures. I will go to the DME T code. This is the T code from where we have to create this one. I am taking one sample. This is the standard one. This is the standard one. Click on any node. These are called. This complete DME is divided into. This is the first part. This is the DME tree, and right side this is called details. And third one is name of the payee. Go to source. We should get into the change mode. See, this is total DME. This is the DME tree we are going to configure. So this DME tree is divided into three parts. First is the DME tree formats. Left side you will find this technical attributes and segment group and segment. We will discuss one by one. So now this side, left side we have, on the left side we have DME tree. This is the detail level. Once if you want to see the details of this DME node, click on this one. Right side details will be appear here. Similar way, click on this one, validate, input medium and space. So this is called DME tree. Right side is the detail. Third one is on the bottom side. If you observe here, SAP give the standard structures here. So whenever you are adding any DME, any node here, node is the lowest level here. So whenever you are adding any node, so that is going to be print on the output file. Output file means this output file. So now there are three structures available: FP, FPH, FPHX, FPP. So these are the three structures. Under these structures, you have the fields: pay related fields, bank information related fields, and payment discount. So whenever you are adding any fields, let us take this amount field, amount node. So here you have to mention not only the adding this DME node here on the left side. You have to mention once you add any node here, you have to mention that from where system should pick the value for this node. That is important. The value for these nodes, there are we have to mention in the source, the structure name and field name. So similarly, what I did, I captured all those things. For date, take this value from this one. For company code, take this value from this one. For bank reference, take this value from this structure. So whenever you are referring any structure, first these will reflect to the means represent the structure FPH hyphen. This is the right side is the field name. Hyphen always will be given before the field name only. That we will see one by one in our other videos. I will show you how exactly means how to pick this FPH and FPH these fields, how to get the source field. That I will show you one trick. So for date, we are taking the date information from FPH. This is the structure name. This is the field name LAUFD. This is the field name. So for same company code, take the source field is this structure. We have only three structures. Remember, only three structures here. These are the standard structure. Only three structure. You should means for all these left side, whatever you are adding here, you have to mention the source fields. We have others as well above system fields. If you want to take any, you can make use of these system fields as well. But standardly, we are going to use from FPH, FPHX, FPP. These are the structure names. Structure name means these are the created in S11. S11 is the data dictionary. This is purely relating to the above. If you want to see any structure, you can see from here FPH display. See, all these are called fields. This is the structure. Under this structure, this is the field name. Field name is date on which the program is to be run. This is the description of this field. In the same way, I already mapped this node information and structure information. At the end of this course, I will show you how I exactly did the exercise for mapping this date to exactly why I mapped to this one. I will show you how to get this information. So now this is also I will show you what is the length, how exactly I captured this information, length of this field, that we will see. So now first thing, header. Under the header we have three nodes. This is the transaction. Under the transaction we have 10 nodes. For each for 10 nodes I already mapped this source information. For sequence number, take this information from this structure and this field. For house bank, take this information for FPHX hyphen U BNKY field name. So now under this one we have 10. So for each node I have already mapped the source, structure name and field name. The same way, what is the length of this node I already captured here. That we will see in the upcoming classes how to do the exercise for mapping this node and structure field. For each this one, for each header information, and node information, you should take the key fields. Key fields means these are the unique. These are called key fields. Key fields are called key fields. This is divided into two levels, first level and second level. And trailer always will be assigned to the level 1 only. We are not going to create any level 3 here. This will be assigned to the level 1 only. So now we will understand the other things in DME tree. For configuration of DME tree, the T code is DME. This is the for configuration of this one. This is the T code is DME. So now to create the DME tree, T code is DME. DME is the T code. So whatever we are discussing here, we have to create this tree like this standard one in the this T code only. So now we will start understanding this one by one. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will continue this DME tree configuration in the next class.